Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Snapchat friend's phone number. To check friend's phone number on Snapchat, first of all, go ahead and open up your Snapchat, right? Search for, go to the friends list by tapping the chat icon, and then search for the friend and typing their name in the search bar. Tap on their name to open their profile, and then basically if they have made their phone number visible, you will see it displayed in their profile. Note, you can only see a friend's phone number if they have chosen to share with you. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.